White & Case as a law firm isn't really focused on shaping corporate governance with cybersecurity. However, most of our clients do. And so we help our clients understand their cybersecurity risk posture, help them deal with incidents and prepare disclosures, and do the things that they need to do to make sure that their cyber hygiene is where it needs to be. Corporate directors need to be involved. They need to prioritize cybersecurity, and the SEC rules, I think, are going to prompt a lot of directors to do that. But they need to be involved. They need to make sure that they have established communication lines with management, as well as periodic meetings to understand what's going on with the company and providing input and guidance on how to address it. In my view, the most significant aspects of the SEC proposed rules are the obligation they're going to place on companies to reveal their cybersecurity program practices and policies. This is an unprecedented rule, and the disclosures that they're requiring are the types of disclosures that, if not done carefully, could invite incidents or hacks by hackers looking to understand and get into the company's systems and using the information that they're getting from those disclosures to have a roadmap to getting in. So they're going to have to really use care in developing those disclosures in a way that protects the company. I think directors are not doing as well as they can because they're not prioritizing cybersecurity. It's not the space that most directors want to be working in, but they should, and I think the SEC rules will prompt them to, because they're going to be directly related to their responsibilities as directors. Be prepared. Incidents happen. Companies are going to have data breaches. Regulators are going to look at whether the company and the board was aware and was involved in the process of responding to the incident and also preparing for the incident. This can be as simple as having the boards receive yearly or annual cybersecurity training, training on how to develop communications and how to make sure that there is a good line of communication between the board and management to ensure that if there are resources that are needed or decisions that need to be made, that the board has a structure in place to make sure that those things are done.